What is car depreciation? Depreciation essentially refers to the amount of value your car loses over its lifetime, with the amount varying year on year. Typically, depreciation is specified as a percentage, so for instance, if your £10,000 car is worth £7,500 after 1 year, it would have depreciated 25%. In rare circumstances, such as with high-performance, limited edition or increasingly rare classic cars, depreciation may be minimal or, if you're lucky, your car could increase in value. This was the case with a lot of cars during and post-COVID too, due to the increased demand, but since the market has stabilized, depreciation has reverted to a thing of the norm. Sadly, the majority of cars, from entry-level hatchbacks to luxury saloons, will be worth less than you paid for them, pretty much from the moment you drive it away. How much do cars depreciate? The amount of depreciation your car experiences will usually depend on the amount of time you have it. However, if you want a general rule of thumb, here's how much cars usually depreciate. Year 1, 15 to 35% depreciation. Year 2, 35 to 50% depreciation. Year 3, up to 50% depreciation.